Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Rocket League on Steam. First, ensure you have the Steam client installed on your computer and a valid Steam account. Rocket League is a free-to-play game, so you won't need to purchase it. Simply open the Steam application, navigate to the store, and search for Rocket League. Once you find it, click the Play Game button to initiate the download and installation. This process typically takes a few minutes, depending on your internet speed and system specifications. After installation, launch Rocket League from your Steam library. The game will guide you through an initial tutorial, which is crucial for understanding basic movement, boosting, and aerial maneuvers. Take your time with this. Next, head into the settings menu to customize your controls. While keyboard and mouse are an option, most players find a controller offers a more intuitive and precise experience for this fast-paced game. Experiment to find what feels most comfortable for you. Rocket League offers a variety of game modes to suit every player. Casual matches are perfect for practicing new techniques and enjoying the game without pressure. When you feel ready, dive into ranked matches to compete against players of similar skill and climb the competitive ladder. Don't forget to explore the extra modes like Hoops, Snow Day, and Drop Shot for unique twists on the core gameplay. You can also set up private matches to play exclusively with your friends. To truly excel in Rocket League, consistent practice is key. Spend time in free play mode to hone your car control, aerial maneuvers, and dribbling skills without the pressure of a match. Watching professional players on streaming platforms can also provide valuable insights into advanced strategies and rotations. Effective communication with your teammates, even through quick chat, can significantly improve your team's coordination. Remember, consistent car control and precise ball touches are fundamental to becoming a better player.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.